We are Nyloplast, custom-built storm drainage structures that provide solutions for your drainage needs. Our complete custom fabricated product line is designed for hydraulic performance, extended service life, and cost efficiencies in installations and maintenance cost. Nyloplast ADS is a wholly owned subsidiary of Advanced Drainage Systems Incorporated of Columbus, Ohio. We have seen the enormous cost of rebuilding yesterday's infrastructure as metals and concrete complete their often limited service life. Today, the engineered plastic systems are a reality, and nobody does it better than us.
Nyloplast serves residential, commercial, industrial, landscaping, and a variety of other applications with heavy-duty road and highway structures for storm drainage applications.
All of this creates one-stop shopping for your great-to-stream system, a system that will last long into the future because our watertight structures and watertight joints prevent sinkholes, frost heaves, soil migration, and corrosion. Think of the benefits. Heavy-duty construction with ductile iron grates, PVC bodies, H25 rating, and no corrosion or degradation. Easy, economical installation with no field fabrication. Products that are easy to handle, plus are watertight. Our products fit a multitude of applications, including residential, parks and recreational, golf courses, schools, commercial, government, and road and highway. Our goal is to provide you with the custom products that simplify your installation process in a safe, economical, and functional way. Plus, we ship our products within 72 hours of receiving your order. This commitment has made us the leader in the PVC drain basin industry, which is why Nyloplast ADS is truly tomorrow's drainage system today.
In the fashion of what concrete evolved as is a market of a sump, a riser, and a top. Nyloplast comes in with a product that's all one-piece engineered structure. It is watertight because it's custom made. And how it integrates with an ADS pipe is that it's a watertight jointing system, not similar to concrete where you'd produce a seal of mortar and joint and create a silt-tight joint but not a watertight seal.
At Nyloplast ADS, we are committed to forming partnerships with national, regional, state, and local associations and agencies to educate, motivate, and stimulate cutting-edge solutions to drainage problems. Our partnerships have created seminars with practical hands-on training that provide in-the-field experience of our products and their benefits. Recently in New Hampshire, in conjunction with the New Hampshire Highway Association and the U.S. Department of Agriculture, we hosted an educational seminar.
Nyloplast is proud to have an opportunity to be working with the New Hampshire Highway Association and other associations like it to work on applications such as this and solve storm drainage problems together. And it gives them an opportunity to learn about new and innovative products and provides an educational opportunity for everybody to see what's available for storm drainage solutions.
What we're doing here today is installing about 320 feet of culvert, which will help us to redirect the water that comes off the mountain into our pond. We have a relationship with the Department of Agriculture, the Belknap County Conservation District, and the New Hampshire road agents. And using that partnership and our best management practices, we're taking advantage, and I mean that in the best sense of the word, of their assistance and new products that are available on the market today.
We wanted to try to do a project and bring in road agents, and not only road agents but laborers, equipment operators, truck drivers, and just do a little bit of cross-training, and do it like you would do it out in the field and actually do a hands-on project. So Gunstock made this one available, and we just kind of jumped at it and worked at putting it together with Doug Irving and Jeff from Nyloplast, and I think it's come out to be pretty good,
Yeah, seminars like this are a great opportunity for us to be able to show people, that our product is durable, it's lightweight, and give an opportunity to see how easy it is to install, how adjustable it is to fine-tune where your finished grade is going to end up at the long term of a project. If you decide to drop a grade a couple of inches or pick it up a couple of inches, we leave that capability, which is something that is sort of tricky to do in this industry.
Partnerships like this provide the opportunity for high-profile installations that virtually become our product showroom where the benefits will be seen year after year. Nyloplast ADS engineered surface drainage products represent a true innovation in stormwater piping. Their combination of performance-proven ductile iron grates with a rugged, heavy-duty PVC structure makes them unique in the surface drainage field. The complete product line includes inline drains, drain basins, curb inlet structures, road and highway structures, and drop-in grates, which range from 8 inches through 30 inches in diameter and can be used for any plastic underground storm drain pipe systems. A watertight system. Our products feature inlet and outlet adapters to meet a wide variety of joint tightness requirements that apply to the drainage pipe in your application. This virtually eliminates costly leakage problems that can be very common in structures made from other materials. In addition, easy-to-install adder-branch for adding inverts in the field provide a watertight seal to protect your drainage system from settlement, vibration, and earth movement, and compensate for pipe length, expansion, and contraction. H25 rated. Nyloplast ADS products are made from PVC pipe with component pipe segments produced using a single thermoforming process and then joined by means of a solvent weld bell spigot configuration. The resulting heavy-duty PVC structure withstands very high traffic loading and impact, making it ideal for drain basins exposed to H25 conditions. Drain basins are used as a collection point where 2 or more drain lines converge. They also provide a transition between different sizes and types of pipe as well as a change in the elevation or direction of the pipe. Inline drains are used to enter an existing line with a riser and T, or for use at the beginning of a drain line. Our inline drains represent the latest in stormwater piping technology. Their innovative combination of performance-proven ductile iron grates with a rugged, heavy-duty PVC structure makes them unique in the surface drainage field. Curb inlet structures include all the advantages of our drain basin and fit drainage pipe up to 30 inches. They're available with a variety of ductile iron grade options. Nyloplast ADS PVC road and highway structures offer all of the Nyloplast ADS product benefits, such as heavy-duty construction, easy economical installation, and a watertight system. Plus, our H25 rated ductile iron grates provide maximum surface drainage inlet capacity. Riser sections are perfect to add height to existing structures when regarding or new construction around an existing system. The Nyloplast grade options fit every traffic situation, weight load, and site requirement. Plus, we offer locking options as well. Our light-duty drop-in grade is of course ductile iron and perfect for turf and landscape applications. Heavy-duty construction. Nyloplast ADS storm drainage products assure you the long-term economy of a heavy-duty drainage structure by combining 2 materials with proven reputations in the underground utilities and drainage industries. Our ductile iron grates can handle extreme traffic loads when properly installed. Similarly, heavy-duty PVC bodies are designed to withstand heavy loads generated by traffic exposure. Another advantage of PVC bodies is the fact that they are immune to virtually all types of internal and external corrosion or other deterioration mechanisms that can attack underground structures. Gunstock Mountain Resort is a year-round recreational center located in Guilford, New Hampshire, and next to Lake Winnipesaukee. It's a popular ski resort in the winter, as well as offering camping, and it hosts large music and other festivals in the spring, summer, and fall. The combination of a multiple-use resort and the annual runoff of melting snow creates an interesting challenge. In this case, the resort had effectively constructed a large swale to channel the spring runoff, but the swale created a barrier for people attending summer festivals who wanted access to the mountain lodge. The solution was installation of 2 catch basins and an inline drain, which would allow the winter snows to melt and be channeled away from the parking lot and lodge, while at the same time increasing the accessibility to the Slopeside Festival area, which hosts well over 100,000 people each spring, summer, and fall. The Gunstock project allowed for a perfect demonstration of Nyloplast ADS products, while at the same time providing hands-on training for road agents from around the state of New Hampshire. Nyloplast's commitment to national, regional, and local projects with custom-made products that go hand-in-hand with Advanced Drainage Systems' vast product line is a winning combination.
Well, what we're hoping to do, we've created this trench right here, which is not real user-friendly for our summer guests. So when we're done, we'll have a culvert in place of this deep trench that'll accept all of the water that's coming off the mountain and underground get it into our pond. We'll end up with a vegetated, very gentle slope, so somebody in bare feet will be able to walk out of our base lodge facilities and up onto the mountain without having to walk through stuff like this.
When Doug said, boy, he had this project, I said, boy, this would be a great place for these things to go into. You don't need a loader to put them in. Two guys can move one around, put it in, set your grades, get all done, cut the top of it off with a, with a chainsaw, jigsaw, handsaw. You got to. It's just simple operation.
From what we've learned and what we've seen today, we're very impressed with the product. The sales representatives are very knowledgeable and extremely helpful. We're learning that their products and advice are applicable to many scenarios that we could create here at Gunstock. We have similar situations, but in other parts of our facility, and our intention is to implement what we're learning here today and tomorrow and on other parts of our property.
Nyloplast and ADS are forerunners in the storm drainage industry and continue to make new and innovative products to improve what they can offer their clients, and will continue to do so into the future.
Nyloplast ADS storm drainage structures have proven their superiority and cost efficiency in a wide variety of applications, such as residential, parks and recreation, golf courses, schools, commercial, governmental, and road and highway. Easy, economical installation. Because all Nyloplast ADS engineered surface drainage products are customized to your specifications, you get a product that fits your particular application and arrives on the job site ready to install. All you do is hook it up and backfill. So labor requirements are minimal. With installation this quick, safe, and simple, the cost savings are apparent and immediate. No field fabrication or other work on the job site is required. That means no concrete, no grouting, no brick and mortar. Lightweight construction even eliminates the need for heavy equipment. And when you look at the total cost of material, labor, and equipment, the savings are truly huge. Isn't it time you considered Nyloplast your complete source for drain to stream structures and systems? Whether it's upgrading existing structures or new construction design, Nyloplast ADS is the preferred solution for storm drainage applications. Contact us today to speak to a sales representative in your area. Log on to www.ads-pipe.com or call us at 866-888-8479. We are Nyloplast ADS, building tomorrow's drainage system today.